In just over an hour, former President Donald Trump is set to be back in a New York City courtroom as we hit day 13 of his ongoing criminal trial. And an attorney for Stormy Daniels says the actress is expected to appear as a witness in Trump's hush money trial today. Stormy is going to show up.
Yeah, they're out of big names. This is one of the biggest. Eric Shawn is live outside the courthouse with what we can expect today. Follow the COO with someone a little bit more exciting.
Brian and Steve, Stormy on the stand. That's what the AP has been reporting, just breaking a few moments ago, that the next witness in the Trump trial will be Stormy Daniels. She is expected to testify, of course, about getting paid off, according to her claim, by Michael Cohen to keep her alleged affair with the former president secret so that it would not affect the 2016 presidential election, and Mr. Trump's presidential candidacy would not be hurt if the allegations of that affair, that alleged one-night stand, was made public before the election for the voters to find out. This all comes as the president yesterday defiantly said that, yes, he is willing to even go to jail to protect his constitutional rights.
I have to watch every word I tell you people. You ask me a question, a simple question, I'd like to give it, but I can't talk about it. Because this judge has given me a gag order and said you'll go to jail if you violate it. And frankly, you know what? Our Constitution is much more important than jail. It's not even close. I'll do that sacrifice any day.
Well, Judge Marchand says Trump could wind up behind bars if he keeps being found in contempt of court. The judge ruling, quote, defendant not only called into question the integrity and therefore the legitimacy of these proceedings, but again raised the specter of fear for the safety of the jurors and their loved ones. The court finds the defendant in criminal contempt. In court yesterday, the focus was on the Trump Organization's process to pay Michael Cohen to allegedly reimburse him for paying Stormy to keep quiet. Jurors saw the checks that Trump signed, $35,000 each, prosecutors say, to reimburse Cohen for paying off Stormy. Former Trump Organization controller Jeffrey McConney admitted that he was told by the Trump CFO Alan Weisselberg that the checks were meant to reimburse Cohen. Jurors then saw a note that McConney scribbled on Trump letterhead saying he had to double the payout so Cohen could cover the taxes. Prosecutors say that's evidence of the payoff plot, but McConney said the checks were for Cohen's legal work. So in a few moments, about an hour from now, we expect the start of a big day with Ms. Daniels taking the stand, the first time, as far as we know, being in the same room with the former president since her alleged affair with him many years ago. We'll see what she has to say as she outlines this alleged plot to keep her quiet, what the president may have told her, what Michael Cohen may have told her, too. Big day here at court. Back to you.
Indeed. All right. Thank you very much, Eric.